Hey guys, I went to Joann's today with a 25% off coupon. So here's what I got. First off, I needed some orange to make a pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat bag for one of the grandkids. And so I got a couple of those because I wasn't sure how much I was going to need. Plus, this orange is awesome. And then another one of the grandkids is needing a baby shark trick-or-treat bag because he's actually going as a baby shark for Halloween, so trick-or-treating in that. So I ended up getting some yellow, and I got two of those. Another one. And then, so I made a tiny witch hat, and it reminded me that I think witch hats are cool for Halloween, so I am going to make a giant witch hat for me to go trick-or-treating, or when kids come over to get their candy, then I will have my witch hat on. So that's my other one. And so I got this I think it was $8.99, and these so that's normally $11.99 I think, and these are normally $4.99, and so it rang up initially. Let's see, let me grab the receipt. It rang up initially as it was going to be like almost $30, and or over $30, and then with my I got I saved $13 today, so ended up being $20.28. That is my Joann's yarn haul. Very excited.